Think all CBD products are basically the same. Not even close. 2 CBD oils can both say 500 mg CBD on the label, but work completely differently in your body. It all comes down to terminology, formulation, and UK regulations. First, spectrum types. CBD isolate is pure CBD only. Broad spectrum includes other beneficial plant compounds but no THC. Full spectrum contains trace THC, legal in the UK up to 0.2%. Then there's bioavailability, basically how much CBD your body actually absorbs. A cheaper oil with poor formulation might deliver far less CBD than a well-made broad-spectrum product. And watch out for red flags. No lab reports, vague hemp extract labels, or products claiming to cure conditions. Those claims aren't legal for CBD supplements in the UK. Bottom line? Check the spectrum type, third-party lab tests, and formulation quality, because smarter CBD choices start with understanding the label. Check out SMOKO CBD products at the link below.